రైట్ హ్యాండ్ తీసుకో.
ఓకే లెట్స్ గో.
ఫోటో తీస్తున్నా. బాయ్ చెప్పు.
బాయ్ హౌస్.
హోమ్కి బాయ్. హ్యాండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా చేత చేతిలో.
క్లోజ్ ద గేట్.
ఎంత బరువు ఇది?
అభ్యాజ్ ఓయ్ ఇక్కడ చూడు నాన్న look at me. Seatbelt please. Seatbelt, first day of school. What is your thoughts on the first day of school? Huh? Where is the skateboard? Yay! Let's go! School is clear! No! Steering again? No! Steering! There is steering! Are you enjoying the ride? Steering! The steering? Where is steering?
And it's a black color truck which has lights in here. Just lights. Can you see lights? And it has handles. It's a handles. It's a small handles. And the mirror. And the wheels. Can you see wheels? Wheels. Wheels. And this has a small red light. Bye truck. Say bye truck. We are gonna catch you. Let's go catch you. There are more trees here, more buildings, more sky. Can you see the sky here? It's a blue sky. Yeah. Construction again. Construction. There are cones here. Cones. So no car needs to be there. No car needs to be entered there. Okay. More trees. Can you see the small tiny tree and the big long tree? Can you see a long tree here? Long trees. Long and short trees, and the green ones and the yellow ones, and more construction. More construction. Here there are trees with yellow flowers, white flowers, and pink flowers. More construction. Look at the garages here. Tunnel. Can you see the tunnel underneath? So we just crossed the tunnel and we came to the road, bright road here. See how dark is in here? How bright is in here. See the arrow mark here? There is an arrow mark here and the car goes left. There is no arrow mark here. Car goes straight. You see? Let's see. There is a red light and there is a red arrow mark to the left, so it goes left. And the red light here for us, so we shouldn't move. We have to stay and then go after red light turns into a green light. Okay, let's wait for the green light. Look, this car is moving little by little. Let's see which car goes. There is green here and we have to go this way straight. And then they sell to the customers here. Can you see? Maybe next time we go to farmers market sometime. Okay, and this is the 4 sections. So this huge zebra crossing is here. More cars, silver, black. Golf truck, small golf truck. Yeah. Maybe some other day we can cover up the golf. This is a huge has a lot of lights, wider and an arrow mark. Backsiders. Okay, now those are truck trailers. Can you see the aircraft? Oh yeah. We almost reached the school. Are you sleepy? We almost there. We almost to the school. Oi, are you ready to school? Oi, you ready? Can you see these rounds? These are sensors. So when the car stands on these sensors, so the traffic signal gets to know that, oh, there's some car here. So yeah, can you see these arrow marks here? That means we have to go left. So we are not on those 2 lines which goes on left. We are on the line of straight, so that's why we go straight. Can you see? Can you see the aircraft? Yeah, we are going straight. We are going straight. Yay! It's zebra crossing again. I don't know. Zebra crossing again. The sanitizer. Push and wipe. Sanitizer. sanitizer. Baby takes the sanitizer and you done? Can you see those flags in there? It's for July 4th. So it's the Independence Day. That's why. So we are almost there to the school, and it's the playground here. It's a park. Playground park for kids. We came to school. Get down. We are going to the parking lot. Into the parking lot. School. Some water. You thirsty? Get down. In the parking lot.
So we'll take you and help to come back and get your sticker. Want me to put your friends?
Say hi.
What, in the back? Oh, there you go. And then here's the garbage right here. Want to throw it away?
Yeah. I didn't like it. No, I have
Nice tight.
So they have this themed forest theme. So, and his tag on his back, and he has to go. And where's your classroom? Where's your classroom, Nana? Oi, come on. And this is the 3-year-old. And this is his class. So, yeah. Ready? It's ready? Come. It's ready? Let's go. Let's go. See? Teachers? Let's go. School. School. Open. Open. Push. 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 You open up again, Nana. Oh, yeah, open. Come on. Let's go. Teacher. Polly. Teacher is here. Can I come for a while? Can I take just him inside? Okay. Him video inside?
Oh,
Just him, no?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Okay. No worries, yeah. Bhavian,
you done with it?
you're done with the school?
You look tired.
You look tired?
Yeah.
It's okay? Yeah.
Baby car jude.
Say bye, teacher.
Bye, Chapana.
Bye, teacher. You done a tree? Tree?
Stand. Kaal bettu. Stand. Stand.
Tree.
So branches. It's a trunk. Can you touch the texture? The texture is trunk. See, Bhavyansh. Touch. Where, buddy? Buddy. Where is buddy? I can't see buddy. The leaves. Stand. Can you see one more tree coming? No, it's a branch. The branch coming out of the trunk. Can you see? Stand. Stand. What?